everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be starting with freshly washed hair. All of the products that I will be using in today's tutorial will be listed down below, and they are not sponsored. I actually bought these products with my own money. The cat's out of the box. Your girl is relaxed and I am very happy to be relaxed. One thing that I would say about having relaxed hair is that you have to be very careful and mindful of how much product you're using and how very gentle you are on your hair. I will also like to add little to no manipulation is the key. That is exactly why I love doing my wet wraps, because it gives my hair a break from heat, from blow dryers to brushes. I just want to sit underneath the dryer and make sure that my hair is going to look perfect as soon as I unwrap it. I sit underneath the dryer for about an hour and 30 minutes, and then I unravel my hair. And as you guys can see, it looks like I already have a silk press. Like, it looks super sleek, very luscious, and also it has volume. And I actually learned this technique while I was in cosmetology school. This is an amazing technique and I honestly love it. Now for the styling portion of my hair, I'm going to be using Chi Silk Infusion. Now this is literally a heat protectant. Adding IC Fantasia, this is a hair polisher and a heat protectant serum, and it's going to be able to help shine and protect my hair when I'm flat ironing and styling. I'm going to section my hair into 4 equal parts, and this is just going to be able to help me while I am flat ironing. I love the chase method because it gives my hair the sleekness and smoothness that I desire. And as you can see, look how sleek and shiny and just bone straight my hair looks like. It's amazing. It's amazing. Now that I'm on the last section of the flat ironing process, this is exactly how I want my hair to look like when I am doing my ponytails, and my hair looks very sleek, luscious, and shiny. Now I'm sectioning out a small portion of my edges on both sides. I like a little baby hair effect, but I like it very minimal. I'm going to part a small area in the front where the bangs will be. So I'm typically going in a U shape. For molding my ponytails, I like to go in with a hairspray first, and then I'm going to smooth it with the comb and my hand, then adding a little hair gel for more sleekness. The comb and my hands will be the tools that I'll be using for smoothing the hair. Slightly putting my hair into a ponytail, but not too tight, because I really want to make sure when I'm molding the hair, I do it the proper way the first time. I'm going to add a little bit of gel in the nape area and smooth it with the comb and my hands. I'm going to go back in with the hairspray, keeping it smooth. I'm pretty much going to be taking out the scrunchie and smoothing out my hair, and I'm going to go back in and add a little bit of gel and the hairspray, using the blow dryer on cool temperature only. This is going to be able to set the molding process. I'm going to show you guys the back of my hair because you guys can see before I can see it, and it looks very good. Now this is what you call the sleek of the sleekest ponytail ever. If you follow my steps, you're gonna get this exact same results. I will humbly advise you to not miss any steps. I like to blow dry my hair on cool for a few minutes more, braiding a single braid down just to give me a structure for the ponytail. For extra security, I'm going to be wrapping my hair with the Sanex strips, wrapping it around the braid, adding hair glue on the ends to lay down the edges. I'm going to hit it with the blow dryer on cool to make sure that it's dry, and then go in with a second layer. To secure the hair, I add a hair glue to the band, and I'm going to wrap the hair around that band until I can't wrap no more and there's no more space. I'm going to cut the last track. Taking a small section, and I'm going to flat iron it because this is the section that I'm going to be able to wrap around the hair and secure it with that band. Just like that, the ponytail was looking so beautiful. Now I'm going to flat iron the ponytail using Chi Silk Infusion Heat Protectant. The hair that I'm using for this ponytail was provided by me. This is my actual hair vendor, and I love using my hair products, my hair vendor, for my tutorials. I'm just so in love with how sleek my bangs and my ponytail is. It's just looking so beautiful. I actually wanted to do like two bang, but I'm like, you know what, let me just do one because it's just the look. Beeswax on the edges, yes, just a little bit goes a long way, ladies. Right along. So for the bang area, I like to go in with clip-ins, and typically I like to use like probably like 3 to 4 clip-ins for that section. I'm not using a lot of clippings because I don't want it to be lumpy and bumpy. I want it to be very smooth from my roots all the way down to that last curl. I really like the way how this video is turned horizontal because you guys can see everything and it looks so much bigger on the screen. I will be posting frequently on YouTube, so keep your notifications on. Subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to subscribe and comment on this video. See you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys and Happy New Year.